Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Boardwalk Inn to do a full room tour of a garden suite, also known as a cottage. These rooms do sleep up to 2 adults and have plenty of space inside of them.
These are really fun cottages. We love it because it's kind of a perfect couples getaway location. There are two different types of layouts, one that has these outside gardens that you'll see, and then one that has a balcony, so we're excited to show you the one with a garden today.
Let's go check it out.
We're here in the center of the Boardwalk Inn with the quiet pool where all the garden cottages are. There is one that's accessible over on the end of the building there. There's a couple that have that balcony layout, and if you want to see the ones with a balcony that don't have a garden, that video is linked in the description. But all the rest of them have these little gardens that are very pretty, nice little romantic getaway rooms here. We're going to be going in here to check this one out. You can see we've got our own little garden space. There's also a patio out here with a table and chairs, and then we'll head inside and check out the room. Downstairs here we have the living room area. You've got a sectional couch over here. Now this is not a sleeper couch like it used to be, just a regular couch now. So we've got this whole seating area here. We also have our TV downstairs. There's some storage inside there underneath the TV if you need it. There's also an outlet on the end with some USBs built in there. And then above the couch we have a really fun piece of art. This is Minnie Mouse picking flowers in the woods with Figaro. And we also have a little Easter egg of the boardwalk back in the background there. Lots of fun. I love the lamp here. They've got the little grasshopper built into the lamp too. Lots of little details here in this room now. Over on the right, after we come into the room here, we do also have a kitchenette in here. There's a microwave and a Keurig coffee maker in here. Of course, with the Keurig, we have our K-cups and such, and there's also a sink here. We've got a little bit of storage over on the right with those shelves. And then down below here, we have our beverage cooler. Again, no freezer section because they've switched over to the coolers now, but you do have that space for your drinks. And then this door leads to our half bath that we have down here. Just a single pedestal sink there and the toilet in this bathroom, but this way you don't have to go all the way back upstairs. We're gonna head upstairs and check out the bedroom, but before we do, the curtain that is here on the front door, I do wanna point out the pattern on it. We've got the Sensational 6 with Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, and Pluto, and their fancy silhouettes here. Just love these curtains they've put in all the new remodeled rooms. You can see as we head upstairs, they've changed this room a little bit with the decorations. They got rid of a lot of what I would call the grandma decorations, all the old flowers and bird pictures and stuff, and they've switched over to a little bit more modern decor. We have a little bench at the end of our bed here, and this is a king-size bed. There's storage underneath for your luggage if you need that. And then over here on the left, kind of tucked in the corner, we do have a closet. Inside this closet, you're gonna have a closet rod with some fancy robes and slippers since this is a club level room, a luggage rack there, and then on this side, we've got our steamer and hair dryer. We also have an in-room safe, and we have an extra pillow and blanket down there. On each side of the bed, we do have a nightstand that has a lamp. There's also an outlet over here that has wall outlets, USB, and USB-C, and we have that on both sides of the bed. And then above the bed, we have a ceiling fan in here that has a light on it, which is really nice because there's a remote control that you can turn the fan up and down or dim the light if you would like. They've added an updated headboard here in these rooms where you have Mickey and Minnie out here walking in a field of flowers, and I just love that piece of art there because it really fits with the whole couples vibe they're going for with these rooms, especially since they only sleep 2 people. We do have another TV up here as well, and below that a dresser that has some drawers on it and a few cabinets that has some more storage space there. And then our main bathroom is up here. We've got a gigantic soaking tub in this bathroom, absolutely huge tub there. And then we have a double vanity, lots and lots of counter space there, storage space underneath if you need it, and then a huge mirror all the way across. In addition to that mirror, we have a makeup mirror over there in the corner, and then a full-length mirror here on the back of this door. Inside this door is the other half of the bathroom where you have your toilet and your walk-in shower. Here in the walk-in shower, we've got the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and we have those new style dispensers that work better than the pumps do, the other ones they've had for a while. And we have a single shower head here in this shower. There's no extra detachable head or anything like that. And that's going to conclude our tour of this newly remodeled garden suite or garden cottage here at Disney's Boardwalk Inn.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other room tours. We've got a bunch here at Walt Disney World and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.